In this lesson, you'll learn about the arithmetic of complex numbers. First, recall that a complex number is any number that can be written in the form a plus bi, where a and b are real numbers, and a is the real part of the complex number and b is the imaginary part. Also, remember that by definition, I equals the square root of -1, and therefore I squared equals -1. Now here we're being asked to simplify this expression. We need to always follow the order of operations, which says that we've got to do this multiplication before we do the addition. So I'm going to bring down the addition, 5 plus 3i. We really don't need the parentheses because it doesn't change anything. Bring down this addition sign to save for later, and go ahead and take care of this multiplication. So we're going to distribute the 9 first. So it's going to be 9 times 5 is 45. And then distribute the 9 to the I, so that's going to give us plus 9i. And then we'll go ahead and distribute the -2i to the 5, which gives us a minus 10i. And then distribute the -2i to the positive I, which gives a -2i squared. Now it's just a matter of grouping like terms, or real parts and imaginary parts. So our real parts consist of a positive 5 and a plus 45. Now notice I'm underlining that plus with the 45 intentionally. The sign goes with the 45. So 5 plus 45 gives a 50. And then let's look at the imaginary parts. You have a plus 3i and a plus 9i and a minus 10i. Again, notice that I'm including the sign with the number. So plus 3 and plus 9 is a plus 12i minus 10i gives us a plus 2i. Now we still have a minus 2i squared out here. Remember that I squared goes to -1, so it's the same as a -2 times a -1, which is going to give us a plus 2. So we do have one more step. We need to combine these real parts. 50 plus 2 is 52, and then keep our imaginary number here at the end with the 2i. Now we've completely simplified our expression, and our answer is 52 plus 2i. Now you know a bit more about the arithmetic of complex numbers. See you next time.